So the aluminum is all white and looks this.
Same.
Yeah, it's same. It's like this. Yeah, yeah. It's like this.
So do you need to drill somewhere also?
No need to wheel. We use some bracket.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
To
yeah.
hold it.
Yes, yes, yes. And it's very cheap. Very cheap. And at the bottom, we have some foundation with 4 screws to dig to the ground. Yeah.
Okay.
But this, it's okay. The welding, but the surface is not that bad. But it doesn't matter because it's just a holder.
Yeah, it's on the back end side.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So they are bringing the other.
Yeah, others. Yeah, they are bringing others. You do a lot of business. You see, but it's all high tech. It's high tech.
So there are a lot of this kind of things are coming now. We have seen some flexible screens also there. I mean,
Stick to the glass.
stick to the glass, or you can turn it around and
Yes,
you can
yes.
make different
Can
shapes.
roll it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have that product. Yeah. You know, this kind of product in China is very standard. Yeah, standard.
And mostly for indoor use, they are using it.
Yeah. Our transparent screen also have a P10 or 2P20. Yeah.
Okay.
It's very easy to install, just like a stick of film on the glass. Yeah. Very
Those
easy.
are unbreakable. The folding one cannot break.
Yeah, it won't break. It won't break. We have done some for Korea. Korea, the tower.
Okay.
The Running Man, the TV show, the tower, the server tower. Yeah, we have done some transparent screens. In China, some shopping mall, the outside the glass, like this, all transparent screens.
What about 3D video content running on this screen? It is giving good impact.
3D, LED need a corner. They must have a corner.
L shape.
Yeah,
corner.
must have a shape round out. Yeah, like this.
Then the impact will come.
Yes.
Otherwise not.
Otherwise not.
And you have to design the content according to the size.
Yeah.
of it.
Yes, the content is the most important. 3D screens, the most important is the content. Yeah, the display is normal display. If some people tell you 3D display is special, it's expensive, that's fake. It's all standard. Just they have a shape and
It
make
is
it.
how the content in develop, and
Yes.
the screen should have a corner that will make an impact.
Yes. I have been to Tokyo, Osaka. There are a lot of 3D screens now. Guangzhou also, and Dubai. Dubai have also 3D.
I have seen there this cat, fat cat.
Yes.
In Tokyo.
Tokyo is